We got them southern style pork chops right there. Soaked in that buttermilk, that flour. We're gonna dip it over here. And them breadcrumbs, man, gonna be mighty fine, I tell you. Alright, we're gonna dip it in these. These are actually crackers right there. I'm gonna dip it, get it real coated. And right there is what it's gonna look like right there. Oh man. Wait till we fry these bad boys, y'all. We're gonna put a couple tablespoons of butter in a pan. Then you gotta have that old rendered pork fat, that old good old lard. Put a couple tablespoons of that in there. That's what we're gonna fry our pork chops in. Let's wait and see. Well, I reckon we'll pull this bad boy and make some gravy. Crispy. Black-eyed peas, gravy, that fried pork chop right there, some mashed potatoes.